Okay guys, I'm at Metro Performance. They're doing a great job on tuning my Ohlins suspension because there happens to be a little creak that's happening when the wheel articulates. I was noticing that a couple of weeks after the, not couple, but 3-ish weeks, maybe almost a month after my Ohlins suspension was installed and the suspension finally settled down or set in. And basically right now, what we've determined is the spring on the Ohlins is kind of like knocking around. So they're just gonna, on the rears, so they're just gonna tighten it up a little bit, not the ride height, but just the spring tension. And yeah, so it's kind of getting work done right now. And yeah, so hopefully that'll just, it'll be a little tighter. I was told I won't feel any kind of ride roughness, just because it's like, I don't know, point something 00 something that they're gonna tighten it to, and it should take away the annoying clunking sound with the spring moving around there. So yeah, check back shortly. Hey guys, so what happened was, I think the clunk is still there. It was something that, well, they tightened the spring, or the tension rather, but I'm gonna have to call the shop that originally did it, the install, and then see what's happening. Maybe call Ohlins as well, but the clunk is still there a little bit. Still a little disappointed that it's there, but I mean, the car drives great, handles great. So I've reached out to Ohlins and see with this issue and see if they'll have an answer for it, because the noise is it's just not good. I mean, I've spent almost $2,500 on this, just on the Ohlins coilover setup, not counting the install or anything like that. So it's just, I'm a bit disappointed that the ride and feel are great. So once I get an answer from Ohlins, hopefully they'll have some way to mitigate that, to fix it. And I'll let you guys know on the next video. Hopefully I'll have better news on the next video that, the noise is gone. So anyway, have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.